Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore custom shape, floating tag, shadow effect. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Select the custom shape tool from the toolbar. Choose a rounded tag shape. Draw the tag in the center of the canvas. Change its fill color to white. Now duplicate the tag using Ctrl plus J. Send the duplicate layer below. Change the duplicate color to dark gray. Move it slightly down and right. Apply blur to the bottom tag. Lower its opacity to 30%. Align both tags shapes visually. Add text on the top tag. Double click the top tag layers. Then add a light drop shadow. Press OK. Zoom out and preview. Check each